All right, every time you send a text, you stream a movie, you check directions, or ask an AI chatbot a question, there's a good chance a data center is working behind the scenes for you.
These facilities have become the backbone of modern day life, yet most people never see what happens inside them. Ariel Harrison got a look inside one of Utah's oldest data centers to show us how these digital warehouses keep our connected world running.
The discussion surrounding data centers has become difficult to ignore, and the people behind these facilities say there's something many of us don't yet realize. That's that we're relying on these data centers every single day. It may not look like much, rows and rows of servers processing information around the clock. But according to X-Mission founder Pete Ashdown, facilities like this power much of our everyday lives.
Anything like email or web services, 99% of that is going to come out of a data center somewhere.
In downtown Salt Lake City, Ashdown operates what he says is one of the city's oldest data centers. For more than 25 years, the facility has stored data, hosted websites, and kept internet services running. Inside, customers rent space for their own servers.
We give them 24/7 power, high capacity internet, and security.
For many people, the technology remains largely invisible. But chances are, you've already relied on a data center several times today.
The average household has 21 connected devices.
Dan Diorio is the Vice President of State Policy for the Data Center Coalition, a national organization representing the data center industry. He says those devices, from smart TVs and doorbell cameras to phones and thermostats, all rely on digital infrastructure operating behind the scenes.
It's how we work, it's how we learn, it's how we communicate. It's every telehealth appointment, every electronic healthcare record, every online classroom, every online purchase, banking, and financial transaction. It's 911 geolocation services, state and local governments, you name it.
He says as our digital footprint grows, so does the need for places to store and process all of that information. And experts say we'll create more data in the next 5 years than we did in the previous 10. But not all data centers serve the same purpose.
What is happening with the AI explosion is the amount of capital and money that is going into that is building one kind of data center, and that's the AI processing data center.
There are data centers built primarily for artificial intelligence, the type drawing attention in Utah as large-scale projects are proposed across the state. For that sole purpose?
That sole purpose. It doesn't handle any email, doesn't handle any web pages. It just has what we call GPUs, which were in the past graphic processing units that are specifically tuned to dealing with AI tasks.
A pioneer in his field, Ashdown questions whether we need massive new AI data centers.
I'd argue that right now we don't, and that it is moving towards from data center down into desktop and phone models. You know, this is certainly what I believe Apple is looking at.
But the industry sees it differently.
Right now, we know that we are in about an 11 gigawatt shortfall between the demand that's out there and the infrastructure. The U.S. needs to remain the world leader, and we need to have the capability to store our data here. It's a national security imperative.
If you see this and you are curious about data centers near you, there is an online tool that allows you to access a database and search your location and see what's nearby. It's something I talk about more tomorrow on 2 News This Morning. Ariel Harrison, KUTV 2 News.